Greetings all. Just thought I'd drop in with a quick video to show people something I recently discovered with Chitubox, just in case people don't know about it. If you happen to set up a new printer for yourself, so you go to settings, and just for demonstration purposes we'll get rid of that. On the left hand side here you can see a list of your printers. At the moment I've only got the one there, so say add a new printer. Let's go Elgo Mars. Okay, and all looks well and good. Got some options in there, but if we close that and quit out of the program, and if you navigate to user profile, app data, local, Chitubox machine, you'll see that there's some CFG files in there. Now these files are basically the list of the machines that are on the left hand side in that menu that I showed you before. So the first one, which in my case was default, is 0.cfg, and the one underneath that is 1, and so on and so forth. So you go to the latest one you've created, and if we go to edit, find, visible, find next, you see it's come up anti-aliasing visible 1. Let's go find next, visible 1, and keep going until we find a visible 0, and change that 0 to a 1. Find next, visible 0, change that to 1. Another one, change that to a 1. Change that to 1. No more. Alright, so close that and save, close, and now if we reopen Chitubox and we go into our settings menu, and we're on our Elgo Mars. Now if we come across to the print menu, you see there's a whole bunch of new options here. So yeah, I don't know whether every printer hides those by default when you create new ones, but it's absolutely worth doing that when you do add a new printer, just to make sure that you've got all the possible options available to you. So there you go. Hope this helps you, and happy printing. Catch you later.